Day uno, hello, no, welcome. Ahambo Ifiokiche, the owner of Preserve Our Heritage, where our goal is to help you to speak and to understand the Igbo language. Today, I'm so excited to continue with our POH Student Spotlight series. Today's spotlight is on Amara, and she's from New Jersey. Here she comes.
Ndewo, I'm Amara. Today I'm going to tell you about some of the things that I learned in my Beginners Preserve Our Heritage class. If you want to ask someone how they are, you can say Kedu or Kedu ga imere, which means how are you? And to respond, you can say Ade mma, which means I am fine. If you want to offer someone something, you can say Ichoro and then whatever you're offering them. For example, if you want to offer someone water, you can say Ichoro mmiri, which means do you want water? And then to accept what they're offering you, to say I want, you can say Achoro and then whatever you want. For example, if you wanted water, you could say Achoro mmiri, which means I want water. If somebody compliments you and you want to thank them, you can say Imela, Dalu, or Dalu Rene, which are all ways of saying thank you. To ask somebody the time, you can say Gini Naku, which means what time is it? And to respond, you can say Obu Elekere, and then whatever time it is. For example, Obu Elekere, Abuo means it's 2 o'clock because Abuo means 2. If someone does something and you want to say good job or nice try, you can say Igbal Yala, which means good job or nice try. And then if you want a group of people to clap their hands, you can say Koakagi, which means clap your hands. And then if you want them to clap their hands for a specific person, you can say Korayaka, which means clap your hands for him or her. Lastly, if you want to say bye, you can say Gemesia. And then if it's nighttime and you want to say bye, you can say Kachifo, which means good night. Anyway, that's some of the things that I learned in my class. Thanks for watching. Gemesia.